Toy unboxing tayo nitong malaking lip gloss. Alam niyo ba minsan pagod na ako sa buhay pero kailangan bumangon kasi lip gloss on. So we're gonna be making a slime out of this makeup. Meron siyang eyeshadow. So pretty. It's a shimmering eyeshadow. Sa sobrang busy ko sa life, manghirap ng mag-toy unboxing ngayon, especially now that Bram is super clingy na din. Marami din nagtatanong kung bakit si Bram lang palagi kong kasama. It's because Brie always goes to school na sa morning. And when she's home, she doesn't wanna be filmed, so I can't force her talaga. So I take this opportunity, magmumuk Bram, kasi eventually, maybe he doesn't wanna be filmed na din like his ate. So let's add our slime powder and 2 cups of water, around 30 ml, and let's shake it. Shake it well, shake it good, and shake it like you should. Alam niyo ba anong favorite shaken food ko? Shaken nuggets. I love shaken nuggets. Me too, mama. So while pinaparest natin yung slime for around 20 minutes, let's mush the balls. After around 20 minutes, eto na siya. Para siyang leche flan na super leche. Let's add in the mushed balls and then we're gonna stir it up like this. Stir it well. May kasama siyang mini lip gloss eto. Pero I think it's really for the slime kasi not so good consistency. And let's mix it well. This is the hardest part and the most painful part. We have to scoop out a bit of the eyeshadow. Ouch! Super sakit talaga to for me. Bagong makeup. But life is painful sometimes and we have to just keep going. As I've said before, lip gloss on. So, eto na pala yung consistency niya. I'm not sure if it's really like this, but I don't really like it so mushy and so sticky talaga siya. Para siyang higugma or love. Kung mupilit, makabuing. Maura, salamat sa pagtanaw.